Hello everybody. So today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about we need to find q in terms of m. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to add number 8. Later that we need to minus about number 8. So this one we can do about factorization. So this one we have negative 13. So this one divide by this one we have number 4. Next I will put m go to here and this one go to here. Now I will put this one go to the left, q+2 go to the right. Next I will put number 2 go in here. Next we do common denominator. So we have number 8 and negative 2m. 13 minus 8. We have number 5. Negative, negative. We have positive. This is the end. Thank you for watching.